Hello, Remy. Hello, Remus. Well, another day. As you can see, this video has been recorded pretty much the day after the last one, but won't come out for a while. Today we are making a frame for this compressor. That is the first job to do. A few other jobs, whether or not they'll be in this video, I do not know. There's a bit of a Royal Rumble going on here. Two jobs we've coming up soon. We have PVC gate to do, and we have an aluminium frame to do. I think this is another gate. Yeah, won't be doing them today, but they'll be in a future video. Yeah, so today we're gonna attack the compressor frame, which I'm planning on putting up there. Should be fairly simple. I think it's just a bit of a rectangle frame. We need to put a bit of rubber on the legs, all right, to dampen the noise, because it is a pretty loud compressor. So yeah, let's take a few measurements and then start cutting a bit of steel. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Whew. Right. So this is a 50-litre air compressor tank. Does exactly what I need. Bit of spraying, bit of cleaning off the tables with air. Yeah, so we want to make a frame for it. Let's try it up there. It is quite loud. Maybe in the future sometime we'll upgrade, but for now it'll do. Let me grab a tape and we'll get measurements for the legs. We'll work out a plan for a frame. Tape. Right. So our front legs are at 200mm outside. Our back legs are, you probably can't really see me. Our back legs are at 305. And our length is 470. So leave it with me. I'll do a quick sketch in the diary and we'll come up with a plan. So this is the plan for our frame. We're going to do 400 either side, keep it the same, keep it somewhat square, and 470 length. Hole centers are 122 on the short side and 235 on the long side. 40 by 40 box, 2 cuts at 400, 2 cuts at 390 for these two here. And then once we have actually dismounted up there, we'll then measure for our gusset. There'll be 2 gussets either side, and they'll be coming out at angles. You'll see it as we go along. So there we have it, a simple frame made. Let me grab my tape here and we will show you. Yeah, there we go. We have 400 by 470. That's our frame. So our next job is to go and drill our holes. Okay, frame is drilled, ready to go. Nothing fancy about it. Just butted the ends. There was no need for doing any 45s. I'll just put blank caps on the ends, make it look pretty. Don't even know if I'll paint this, but yeah, next thing is we need to mark our level up there, grind off a bit of paint, and then we will be ready to weld this up. So I'm going to set it as high as possible, well, not as possible, but high enough that it's up out of the way, but not so high up that I need a bigger ladder to get at it. So I'm thinking maybe around here, along this purlin, we should be okay. We've no wires either side, I don't think. We look okay. I do have an airline running up the back, but the heat won't get back there. It should be okay. The only thing I'll probably be worried about is when I'm welding sparks hitting the non-drip. Might put a bit of cardboard there or something. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check, see if this is level. That is bang on. So I'm just going to scribe a line across here. Actually, you know what? We're going to grind it first and then we'll scribe the line, because then it saves us having to scribe twice. So just check it this way, actually, just to be, yep, all good. So yeah, I get the grinder, grind off this paint, scribe the line, and then we can weld up our frame. So that's a wrap on that one. You were seeing there, I got my holes a slight bit off, so I had to drill them out there a small bit more. But yeah, we got it done. So it's not looking too bad. We'll turn around there now and show you. So there it is, hung up there. Not the biggest of jobs, but a job that had to be done nonetheless. Managed to give it a quick bit of a paint. I was actually worried about it being up against the beam, but no, it's out. We are safe. As you can see, our dials are out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few droppers on it down here so I can click in down here instead of having to bring out a ladder and click in my hoses above. So yeah, that's that job done. Probably the last job to be done in the workshop for a little bit of time. For the next while anyway, it's going to be all jobs that we need to get done. We got to do those two frames for the PVC gate and the aluminium gate. So it'll be nice to do a bit of aluminium. I haven't welded aluminium now in a while. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. I keep looking at myself. So awkward. Bye-bye. Cut the grass!